Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to uncrease your NMDs. This works for all NMDs when it comes to XR1s, R1s, R2s, as you can see here, right here. This is what we're going to be fixing. We're going to be uncreasing this part right here. And basically what happens is when you're walking, you step on this pad right here and it causes it to crease like this, and you know, no one likes that. You want your kicks to look fresh. Well, all you need to do is simply get a blow dryer, set it to medium heat, and just blast it for a good minute, and the results you'll be able to see for yourself are pretty good. So let's get to it. Alright guys, before and after, here you can see there's a noticeable difference. There is still a crease right there, but you know, that's just after a while you can't do much. So if you're going to do this, make sure you do it as soon as you can, and you won't be left with any of those creases right there. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like, and if you want to see me teach you guys how to widen the boost on the NMDs, like this part right here, please drop a like, and yeah, let me just go ahead and play the before and after for you guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.